Since the 1990s, farmers have been relying on yield maps for spatial data because they're incredibly valuable and widely accepted as common practice for precision agriculture. Now there are options to take them even further. Digital solutions can improve efficiency by using sensors to accurately record moisture content, grain volume and distance. Digital solutions can record more specific data like nutrient supply, topography and pasture management. Information that is helpful when it comes to estimating productivity or identifying things that negatively affect your crops. Since most crop issues can't be managed manually, you need the tools that can give you information about the soil properties. They share their information with GPS units that tells you which areas are fit for growing crops and what areas need to be tended to. Yield monitoring and mapping are valuable when it comes to increasing profits, as the data collected from harvesters can be used to plan nutrition applications and future seed planting. When developing your maps, it's important that the data is accurate, and the more historical data you have, the less likely it is to create a map based on unpredictable factors like the weather. You can also want to only use information that shows the precise yield and location, so getting rid of inaccurate, incorrect or unnecessary data is critical in this process. Map averaging works by using at least 5 years of yield maps to draw conclusions, and is helpful in setting goals for the next growth period. Once a yield map is processed, you can use it to investigate any problems you're having. It can identify why you're having certain problems with your growth and give you a clear idea of what needs to be applied to these areas. Producers interested in precision farming should always explore the different management approaches. That way, you can be sure you are using the right systems for you. There are so many benefits to this software, so you want to make sure you're getting them. When you look into precision farming options, you should have a clear idea of your goals and find a supplier that can help you meet them. Vendors like Topcorn, Trimble, Ag Leader, John Deere, Case, New Holland are a good place to start. But it's important you make sure they work with your current GPS hardware. It's also worth considering local suppliers and services, training and any maintenance when making a decision. Think about your goals for your business. Will the provider be able to support you into the future? And will the solution allow for your growth? Does the provider share the GPS information with a tractor manufacturer? And are you okay with that? Can your current gear handle the system you need? It's a process, but with improvements to be made in profitability, productivity, and the well-being of your yield set to improve, you'll be happy you adopt the digital solutions for yield mapping and monitoring.